Okay, here today with Rafael Arvelo. He is the general manager of Equigas. And first thing that I want to acknowledge, Raf, is we just saw the news break, October 2nd, new facility. Talk about the new facility and what that means to Equigas.
Yeah, so thank you for the opportunity. We're very, very excited about the building. It's this new building is 3.5 times larger than our old building, and just the warehouse, it's about 6 times bigger because our old building, the distribution was not the best. So we are excited that we're going to be bringing more new products, larger products, and but you just have to follow GAWDA TV, for the following news.
All right, thanks for the plug. Next question, one of the products that maybe people don't know about, but I certainly know, you guys offer vaporizers and tanks. Talk about the brands that you offer as far as vaporizers and tanks and how to get that going if you're a distributor.
Sure. So we have a large stock of vaporizers in North Carolina, manufactured by FIBA. We do try to promote U.S. manufacturing. Everything you see here is made in the U.S. And on the tank side, we're actually bringing some bulk tanks, micro bulks, and we should be having with this new facility a great stock next year.
Excellent. And looking ahead to 2024, can't believe I'm saying that, 2024, what are some of the things that some of the distributors should be looking out for in 2024 from Equigas?
Well, we got a bunch of projects working on right now, but for January 2024, you guys are going to be expecting a new catalog, the Equigas new catalog. You're going to be expecting the Equigas e-commerce website, and there's another big news coming. So again, stay tuned with GAWDA TV because that's a big one.
Awesome. All right. Well, thank you so much, Raf. It's always good to see you, especially here in Maui. Love what you do for us and what you do for the industry, and excited to see what's to come.
And Tim, this is just the beginning.
All right.
Thank you.
Wait, before we go,
Yeah.
Let me get the tagline. What do you guys always say?
We answer the phone and we ship the same day. That's it.
All right.
Thank you.